Hi, I'm Ava and I'm here with Milwaukee Tool. Today I'm going to be talking to you about our socket and bit socket expansion. So our sockets are the most versatile sockets and they're anti-roll and wrench ready. When our product team went out into the field, the biggest frustration with competitive sockets is that they would roll away and get lost and waste time chasing those sockets all around the shop. So our team developed sockets with 4 flat sides. What this means is that they're anti-roll, so they're not going to roll away. They're also wrench ready. So you can put an adjustable wrench on the base of the socket and you can fasten or loosen fasteners when you don't have enough room for a ratchet. Our chrome sockets launched in 2018 and now we're expanding the lineup to include 12-point and E-Torx. Those launched earlier this year. We're also going to be launching some new expansions to our bit sockets that also have those 4 flat sides. We have some low profile options, we have triple square and Tamper Torx, and then we have some long range options coming out as well. We're aiming for Q1 of 2026 for the bit sockets. And then these ones are already out.